A single faulty batch of FMCG products can erase months of brand trust. In this industry, speed matters. But so does safety. One missed allergen check, wrong expiry code, or mislabeled lot can mean lost consumers and reputation. That's why QualityPro QMS, purpose-built for FMCG, puts quality and safety at the heart of operations. Its document control keeps everything in one secure hub, so you're always working on the right version. With complaint management, consumer issues get captured and routed for action instantly. Nonconformance and CAPA pinpoints root causes, whether a packaging line fault or ingredient mix-up, and drives fixes that prevent repeats. With calibration and inspection, filling machines and test kits stay within tolerance. Audit management ensures reviews never slip. Training and change management certify operators on allergen control, hygiene, and packaging changes. And when supply, ingredient, or process risks arise, risk management flags them before they reach production. Built to comply with FMCG's strictest standards, QualityPro lets brands scale without compromising trust. The result? Fewer recalls, faster investigations, stronger consumer loyalty. Bring quality to the front of your FMCG business. Schedule your QualityPro demo today.